I'm just going out there.
Yeah. Someone is coming.
Not really.
Yeah, really. You look beautiful.
Oh, I do not.
Yeah, you do. Alright.
Somebody came and told me.
Okay. Someone's right here to serenade you. This is my friend Rich, and this is my Auntie Jackie.
Happy Valentine's Day.
And he's got a little song for you.
Yeah.
Wow.